In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert code blocks in Notion. If you've ever wanted your code to look clean, readable, and properly highlighted inside your Notion notes or documentation, this walkthrough will make it simple. First, open your browser and head over to notion.com. Once you're there, click Login and sign into your account. After you're in, navigate to the workspace where you want to add your code. Think of the workspace as your overall team or personal area. From there, open the specific page where you want the code block to live. It could be a project doc, a notes page, or a dedicated coding log, wherever it makes the most sense for you. Now, inside that page, place your cursor where you want the code block to appear. On your keyboard, type a /. This is the quickest way to pull up Notion's command menu. A drop-down will open with a list of block types you can insert. You can scroll down through the options and look for code. If you don't want to scroll, simply start typing the word code right after the /. Notion will filter the list as you type, and you can select code when it appears. The moment you click it, Notion will insert a dedicated code block right in your page. Next, look at the top of the new code block. You'll see a spot where the programming language name appears. Click that to open a list of languages. Choose the one that best matches the code you're working with. This step matters because it enables syntax highlighting, which makes your code easier to scan and reduces mistakes. If you're unsure which language to pick or your snippet is more general, plain text is a safe choice. Otherwise, select the most accurate option for correct colors and formatting. With the code block ready and the language set, paste your code into the space inside the block. Pasting ensures your indentation and structure remain intact. If your code doesn't look quite right, double check that the language matches what you're using. You can change it at any time without losing your content. Repeat the same process anywhere else in the page if you need multiple code blocks. That's it. Your code is now neatly organized and easy to read in Notion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this one.